Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a house tour, so come with me. Okay, so first we're gonna go into the living room. I absolutely love this living room. So I thought I would talk you through where like everything is from. So we'll start with the sofa area and my coffee table. My gorgeous sofa is from the Sofa Club. I actually got this on such a good summer offer. They got summer offers on at the minute, so definitely check them out if you're after a sofa. I got my cushions from Next. You would have seen these in one of my vlogs. Coffee table is from Dolls. I am so obsessed with this. I've actually got a side table over by here that is the same. I still need to find like a plant or something to go on this, but for now we've just got a little card from my nan and a candle just so it smells nice. Got my hair all in my mouth. Throw is from Dunelm. I'm so obsessed with this throw. Like honestly, trying to find a white throw and white cushions is like the bane of my life. Like I sit there for hours just trying to find the right white cushions. Sometimes they come more like cream and not white, and it's just not the vibe. So yeah, I was really lucky to find these on Next and that off Dunelm, and this is just so cute. Flowers is from my mother, who is currently behind the camera, and this is from Next as well. They've honestly got some of the nicest home bits. Over to my TV unit. Anything you're going to say about this TV unit? I know it's just an awkward shape, this living room, and I didn't want my sofa up by the window, so yeah, we're just going to have to deal with it being like this, which is why I got a lamp for this corner just to try and fill this out. I still have a work in progress with this corner. Like I still got to try and fit some more things in it, but for now we've just got a lamp. My TV unit is from IKEA. So cute, and then I've got a big huge 58-inch TV. I'm just gonna blame it on the fact I got bad eyes, so that's why I've got such a big TV. But I just thought to fill up this wall, it's such a big wall. Oh, the postman just come. Hey, postman package. Thought to fill up this wall, I'll just get a big TV. So yeah, I was able to find this nice cabinet from IKEA, and then this TV is from Bush. This was off of Argos. I sat on the sofa. I usually just sit in that corner anyway, so it's not too bad, but I will just tilt it if I'm sat over the other corner. But it's no big deal, do you know what I mean? But I do like the layout of this living room. Like I would have preferred my sofa be there, so over there. But yeah, that is my living room. Like I said, it's still a work in progress. I would still like to get like a rug and things like that, but for now, I am obsessed with the way it is. Throw a basket for by here or something for by here because it's just looking a bit big, you know what I mean? Oh my god, there's like a big grasshopper on the window. This is my back garden. You can kind of see it a little bit. I'm not going to go out there, but we have just cut the grass. Honestly, my garden was given something out of a David Attenborough series. Just a jungle. Teddy would run through the grass like it was a meadow, like it was that overgrown. So yeah, we've sorted that out now. I've got a funny TikTok coming on it actually, so yeah. Moving on to the kitchen. I am so obsessed with my kitchen. I'm just obsessed with every part of this house. You're probably going to hear me saying that the whole time I'm touring this house for you. I got this dining table from Dunelm. A lot of my stuff's from Dunelm. They honestly do some of the nicest bits. Me and my mum, actually, when I say me and my mum, more my mum than me, DIY'd these chairs because they were like a horrible beige colour. You would have seen them on my TikTok, but yeah, we basically just put some grey fabric on them, so they look so much better now. It's the colour of my kitchen, because my kitchen's actually a light grey. I don't know whether it really picks up on camera, because I thought originally this kitchen was white and grey, but it's actually light grey and then a dark grey worktop. So yeah, it was quite difficult trying to find things light grey, because originally I was just going to get everything white. It looks so beautiful, and this plant is also from Next. My nan got me this. Table also extends. We're going to have a lot of guests over, like my family and my friends. I wanted like a small dining table, because I didn't want it to fill up this entire space. But then I also wanted one big enough to seat everyone, so I got an extendable, so it means that when people come over then I can just extend it and then just buy a few more chairs. I need to try and find some little like foldable chairs that I can just put in the cupboard under my stairs or something. But for now, this is how it looks, and when I have guests over, I can extend it out. That's the main part of my kitchen. I am so obsessed with my kitchen. Like, I do so many cooking videos in here now. I've always wanted to do cooking videos, but like, it was just so hard at home, because obviously it's like my brother's always cooking, or my dad's cooking, or my mum's cooking, and it was just a lot, so it was hard for me to do cooking videos. But now I got my own space. Makes it so much easier. Come on over. My kettle and toaster and my microwave are from Swan. I didn't know what colour to go for with appliances in this kitchen. Obviously, it's like a light grey and dark grey. It's so hard to find like the right colours to match without it clashing. So I just thought I'd go with silver. The handles are silver, so I thought it'll tie in really nicely, and it actually does. Like, I think they frame the kitchen so lovely. My tea, coffee and sugar canisters are from Dunelm. I know I've had so many questions on them. They do a few different colours as well. I think they do like a duck egg colour, and they also do cream. So yeah, really cute. I love them. Soap dispensers from B&M. I've also got these in some of my bathrooms because this colour sort of just runs throughout my house. My washing up bowl and drying rack are from Dunelm, I believe. Are they from Dunelm? Yeah, from Dunelm. Ignore my washing up. I did cook something earlier in the air fryer and on the pan, hence why there's so much washing up. But yeah, let's just ignore that. Beautiful fridge. I stocked this on TikTok the other day. This is how it is looking. You're gonna have to ignore the blue bags, they kind of ruin the vibe, but had to seal at the meat that I've used. But yeah, I am so obsessed with this fridge, and I love this drink dispenser. Also, please all leave me alone. I was so overwhelmed doing this stock my fridge with me. I know the Red Bull should be over the other side, alright? But just leave me alone. I just couldn't. I was so overwhelmed trying to film and stock this fridge. My first stock my fridge, and I was trying to film it for YouTube and for TikTok. It was just a lot, alright? So if it's not all in there properly, just please let me off. That's my fridge, and then we've also got the freezer part at the bottom. God, if we can get it open. So I've just got like my frozen fruit, my ice cream, you know, priorities on the top shelf. I've got my food in the middle one, and then my ice at the bottom. I think I'm gonna get some like boxes for the ice and a scoop, so I can have like scoops of ice. I don't know, I think it'd be really cute. I'd love to be able to get like pebbled ice, or whether I can get like a machine that makes pebbled ice, because I just love that type of ice. It is the best. Into my utility room. I always said that if I had my own house, I'd love a utility room. Like, you can just do your washing in, you just got loads of space. And I've actually got one in this house, which I'm really pleased about. I have to ignore my washing in there at the minute, you know. This is a used house, and I didn't have time to get it out, I'll be honest, otherwise I would have. And then in here, I've got like all of my washing bits to obviously wash my clothes. So yeah, I've got my washing machine and my tumble dryer. Wouldn't it have been so much better if I put the washing machine over this side because of the doors? The pipes are over this side. I know a couple of people said for me to put it over that side, but I can't. It's not how the kitchen is built, unfortunately. Bikinis were from Bali, they're washed. Now I just got to wash some bedding because Angel is actually coming over later. So I've got to hurry my ass up and do this video because she's coming over in probably like 2-3 hours, and I still not washed my bedding. The downstairs bathroom is right here, and it's just like a little downstairs toilet, but I love this because I think like if you're out in the garden, the fan has just turned on, Lush. It's just so much easier for people to come through the garden and just go to the loo if they need to use it instead of walk all the way upstairs. My little accessories from B&M, I managed to get them all like matching, so yeah, because the little backsplash here is dark grey, so I thought I'd just stick with the dark grey theme. Okay, now we are going to make our way upstairs. By the way guys, these are the light fixtures that slash my mother's arm open. Lush, not the vibe. They're from Danone, by the way, so maybe don't buy them. I'm gonna take you up the stairs now, and we're gonna have a little look up here. I'm gonna go into my bedroom first. I love my bedroom. It is literally giving princess room. We actually finished this the other day. I'll give you a little sneak peek on Wednesday's video, but I actually bought some lamps and some lampshades, and my mirrors also come. This is my mirror. It is absolutely huge. It's from the Range. They're like £80, so if you guys need a big mirror, definitely look on the Range because they are unreal on there. This is my bed. I am in love with this bed. Same as I'm in love with everything in this house, obviously. This bed is from Happy Beds. I had to get a TV bed because again, the arrangements of this room just make it a little bit hard to put like a telly like in front of my bed. So I thought I'll just get a telly one just so it means I can put my bed sort of anywhere then I want in the room. My bedding is from Asda. It's got like some frills on the edge. I'm obsessed. I need to put this in the wash before Angel comes over. I've actually got one downstairs actually that I think I might put on instead. My pillows are from Talan. I still need to get some other cushions yet. I think I'm going to get some like white ones to go behind to cushion it out. For now I've just got these two. Archie in the middle. I've had him since I was a baby and I don't sleep without him. He's my little baby. So he's framed in the middle of the bed. Lamps are from the Range. I found these the other day, same as my lampshades as well. They're also from the Range. I think that they both tie in together because obviously these have got the little crystally bits, and then the bottom of this lamp is also like glass as well, so I feel like they just tie in so well. Over to this side of my room, I've got a big chest of drawers which are still needing to be filled up. I actually did fill a couple up yesterday, so I've just got like pyjamas and stuff, and I'm gonna have like gym sets in this side. Just stocked my bedside tables as well. They're from IKEA, by the way, and also this one here. They're the Malm drawers. These next plants, because I'm so obsessed, like I just think that looks so nice and it matches the whole like grey and white vibe in here. I've got my ensuite. It's a little bit small in here again, up close and personal, but yeah, this is my shower. I stuck up some shelves in my shower the other day. I got them from Amazon, but they're holding up so well, they're so strong. But yeah, I'll link them down below if you guys want to purchase them, because everyone in there now raves about them on TikTok, and I was like, I'm going to pick some up because mine didn't have any shelves. So yeah, they're really good. They're holding up well so far. My little accessories are from B&M, same as this mat as well. This is from B&M. Rise and shine. My toilet. And my towels, look how cute these towels are, by the way. These are from Dunelm. You can actually get bath mats in these as well. I was originally going to get the bath mats, but with the colours, I feel like the Rise and Shine one does look a little bit better. A couple of people asked me where this was from. This is also from B&M. I got this on offer. I think it was like £20, £25, which I thought was really good. It's just nice to put like extra toothbrushes in, your mouthwash, extra like body washes and stuff. That is from Amazon. These are so nice, heavy, like unreal, love them. I get off the toilet, it's getting a little bit weird, and we are gonna make our way to the spare bedroom. This is my spare bedroom, this is where my guests will stay, who's coming over then. I got this bed off of a company on Instagram called Bargain Beds and Sofas. It is such a nice quality bed, I'm obsessed. It's in like a silvery colour. My bedding is from Argos. I am absolutely in love with this bedding as well. Like, I just love the pattern. I love flowers and stuff. I just think it's so nice. It is from Morrison's. This is the comfiest, coziest blanket ever, although you just don't need it in this heat at the minute. Like, it is so bloody hot in the UK at the minute. But by the way, these are the ones I've got downstairs and stuff are from B&M. These were really good price. They were like £10, but I think they tie in so nicely. Got like a little print on them and they're like cottony, so yeah, I really like them. The pillows that I've got in my bedroom, which are also from Matalan. Got another chest of drawers here, which is from IKEA. I got this lampshade from Dunelm. This was really cheap. It was like maybe a tenner. It might not have even been that. It might have been like £6, £8, something like that. But it looks really nice and cozy in here when it's night. I could actually probably turn the lamp on for you. The cozy vibes, you can't really see it in its full potential because it is so bright outside right now. But yeah, this bedroom is lovely. I would love to sleep in here myself. I might do one night, have a little sleepover in this room. Check out the family bathroom. This is my big bathroom. I love the colour of this bathroom. I've said this on my TikTok. The light grey, and I just love it. And I was able to find the nicest mats and stuff, which are also from B&M, in the most perfect colour to match the bathroom. I've also got a bath tray here. Yet to have a bath in this house. It's just so hot at the minute. I feel like I just can't have a bath. It gets into like autumn. I can't wait to put like a candle on here and like a little drink with some ice in the bath, put an iPad on there or your laptop. Lush. I just can't wait. Washing basket is from Dunelm. This is such a nice colour. I love this washing basket. I feel like it just fits perfectly there. This soap dispenser from Dunelm. Very cute. Matches the vibe in here perfectly. Still need to get a mirror for in here. I think I'm just going to order the same one off Amazon and put it for in here as well. And then I've got the Enchanted Wildflower little scent thingies for in here. These are actually really strong. I love them. They keep the bathrooms really fresh. Move on to the last room, which is my wardrobe room. This is my dressing table. This is where I will be doing all my new get readies with me. My chair is from IKEA. My dressing table, loads of people were asking me where this was from, is from Argos. I actually had this before in my bedroom at home. I switched my bedroom up to beige. I actually changed it to like an oak one then because I went for oak furniture. But yeah, I did used to have this and I loved it, so I repurchased it. So you've got like almost like the mound drawer on the top. I'm still yet to fill these up, so please ignore. And you've almost got like the mound drawer on the top, like from IKEA. But what I like about it is you've got the extra storage in these 4 drawers. So yeah, that's why I opted for this one, because originally I was going to go for the mound, but with only 1 drawer, I'd rather just have the extra storage and then still have the long one on the top of my makeup. Here is from Hollywood Mirrors. I've had this mirror for a couple of years. I absolutely love this mirror. It's got like Bluetooth and everything. We've got a plug on the side here. Yeah, it's done me so well. It's got 3 different light settings here. So we got like a bluey sort of light. We've got like a really warm light and then kind of like a mix of the both. I like doing my makeup on this one personally because this one gives me like the closest to like the outside light, I'd say. I purchased some of the Glow Raspberry Watermelon Moisturiser and also the Ember Release Cream the other day, which I'm loving so far. I actually put it underneath my makeup today. Let me know if it looks good, nice and glowy. And then we've got my wardrobes. This is where I'll be doing all my get dressed with me's and everything on TikTok. Actually kind of filled these up yesterday. I'm still waiting to bring some of my clothes down to the house yet, so yeah, these will be a little bit more full than they are now. Need to get some more hangers as well, because we actually run out. Does one girl need so many pairs of jeans, you may ask? I don't know. I've just got an addiction to buying jeans. I actually just recently purchased some more, so that's why I've got so many, because I need to actually just go through my last ones really and get rid of them. But do you know when you've just got so many like favourite pairs of jeans? Like I just don't want to get rid of them. Either way, I know the handles are a little bit crooked, but it's because we need to put a bracket on here. So when you pull it, see how the doors actually go in line? Yeah, it's just obviously the carpet or the floors obviously just run out a little bit. So just get a bracket to push that in so that the doors line up. Me and Mum thought we'd maybe put the doors on wrong. For the corner wardrobe, she got panelled doors this time. In my bedroom at home, I had mirrored doors, but I thought I want to go for these panelled ones. I've seen them on TikTok and I loved the way they look, because I kind of wanted it to have a modern feel, but also like a classy look as well. So yeah, I just went for the panels ones, handles, which are all from IKEA. This whole thing is from IKEA, by the way. It kind of looks like a fitted wardrobe. I feel like that's what the Pax wardrobes are meant to give. It's like fitted wardrobe vibes, but fitted wardrobes on a budget. You can do them yourself. And yeah, they do look really nice and bougie, I think, when they're all done up and put in. Then we have just got another one of these mirrors from the range, which is just the perfect little finish to the corner of this room. Like, this is what I was waiting for on Wednesday, which is why I couldn't upload the house tour on Wednesday. I was waiting for these mirrors to come. But I just think, oh my god, imagine outfit videos in this. Literally can't wait. Like, this weekend I'm going out because Yain and Kane have actually got their housewarming, and I just can't wait to take a picture in this mirror of my outfit. I'm so excited. But anyway, guys, that is the end of the house tour. I hope you enjoyed. If there's anything in this video that you see that I haven't pointed out, then make sure to definitely comment below and ask where it's from or whatever if you've got any questions, and I will get back to you. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you on Wednesday for another one. Love you all so much. Bye.